From a rough piece of wood to a bed, the step-by-step crafting process of an artisan. Welcome to the DIY Crafter YouTube channel. Thank you for visiting our channel, where the passion for creativity is ignited every day. At DIY Crafter, we believe that each one of us has a talented crafter inside, and we are here to help you discover that. Let's share experiences, learn new techniques, and fuel the flame of creativity within each of us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any videos from us. Wishing you a day full of inspiration and creativity. Let's start our creative journey right now, shall we? Today, let's explore from a rough piece of wood to a bed. A bed is not just a place for rest, but also the focal point of a bedroom, reflecting the style and aesthetics of the homeowner. Transforming a rough piece of wood into a beautiful and comfortable bed requires meticulousness, skills, and creativity of the craftsman. Here are the steps in crafting a bed from a rough piece of wood. Step 1. Selecting the wood. The craftsman starts by selecting the rough pieces of wood. The chosen wood should be suitable for the purpose, ensuring durability and aesthetic appeal. Woods like oak, pine, or walnut are often preferred for their natural beauty and longevity. Step 2. Preparation and sketching. Once the wood is chosen, it is cleaned, trimmed, and prepared. The craftsman then sketches the technical design of the bed, including overall dimensions, details of the components, and any decorative elements if included. Step 3. Cutting the wood. Based on the design, the craftsman begins cutting the wood. Each part of the bed needs to be precisely cut to ensure perfect assembly later. Step 4. Assembling and joining. The wood pieces, once cut, are assembled together. The assembly technique needs to be accurate to create a sturdy and safe bed. Step 5. Crafting the details. For beds with high aesthetic requirements, the craftsman will craft decorative details such as carvings, patterns, or other artistic elements. Step 6. Surface treatment. After assembly, the wood surface is treated again to ensure smoothness and eliminate any sharp edges. Paint, oil, or wax may be used to protect the wood and enhance its natural beauty. Step 7. Final assembly and completion. Finally, the bed is completely assembled and thoroughly checked for stability and perfection in every detail. It is ensured that the bed is not just beautiful, but also sturdy and comfortable. The process of crafting a bed from a rough piece of wood is a journey filled with passion and skill. Through the hands of the craftsman, the bed becomes not just a resting place but reflecting the personality and style of